In today's video, I'll show you how to share a custom link for your Airbnb listing. This is a quick and easy way to promote your property or share it directly with potential guests. Whether you're a seasoned host or just starting out, being able to create and manage custom links for your listings can really streamline how you connect with potential guests and showcase your unique space. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Airbnb.com. Once you're there, log into your host account. If you find yourself logged into a different account or haven't logged in yet, just use your email and password associated with your hosting account to get access. After you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Switch to Hosting. This will take you to your hosting dashboard, which is your primary control center for managing your listings and reservations. Once you're in the hosting dashboard, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar where you will find the Listings section. Click on this section and you'll see a list of all the properties you have listed on Airbnb. Scroll through this list and find the specific listing that you want to create a custom link for. Once you've found it, click on that listing to open its detailed view. Now you're looking at your listing's detail page. As you explore this page, locate the Custom Link section. This area is dedicated to helping you create a memorable URL for easy sharing. Click on this section and a field will appear where you can type in a name or text to personalize your link. This could be the name of your property or a catchy phrase that resonates with potential guests. For example, typing "cozy beach house" can be a great choice if you're showcasing a beachside property. After you've carefully typed in the name you want, click Save to publish your custom link. Once you've saved it, your new custom link is ready to go. You can start sharing it via email, social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, or even through direct text messages. This custom link makes it a breeze for potential guests to access your listing directly without having to search for it. A memorable URL can also make your listing stand out more. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom Airbnb link to promote your listing. It's as simple as that. Now you can share it widely with the world, draw in guests who can appreciate the special qualities of your property, and continue to enjoy the experience of hosting. Happy hosting!